Yo, it's good. Got a quick market recap. Didn't take any trades today, but I just realized that, so I don't know how I'll explain, but I had so like get the game Minesweeper. Well, it's been playing that sound somewhere for the entire time, and it's like, it's not very good looks. But yeah, it's not good. But I was playing in my class and just, here we are, bruv. Yeah, I was playing this, bro. But anyways, I need to stop this. So got a quick market recap today. Like I said, didn't take any trades today. It's been a minute since I took a trade. Today was today was PPI, so I didn't take any trades. Kind of like high impact news, but I'll just kind of explain why I didn't take a trade. And it's been like a minute since I took a trade. So here we are on Euro USD. Bro, why does this look like? Here we are on Euro USD. 4 hours bearish going into market open, closing below this low, and we haven't showed any bullish structure afterwards. So going on to the 30-minute, looking for highs to get taken and then go short. Again, I wasn't really planning on taking a trade today because today was PPI. So yeah, nothing really too interesting. Here we are, PPI today, right here. Today was the 14th. And tomorrow is unemployment claims and GDP, so I'll probably look to trade tomorrow because I haven't taken a trade in a long time, but I gotta be like kind of patient. But I don't even know, but maybe I'm just dodging the trades and stuff like that. But yeah, so 4 hours bearish, looking for highs to get taken to go short. We did end up taking out these highs, but it's like now I'm looking for like some sort of market structure shift to the downside, like break a structure or inverse value gap. But the nearest inverse value gap is like right here. And we broke structure kind of there as well, and I'm not really trying to take that. And that was also before news was at 6:30. Honestly, it wasn't too much of a big kind of deal. We ended up following kind of with the 4-hour bias, but there's nowhere really to target if we took out, like if we're like inversing and showing like bear structure here. Like, why would I enter off that? Like, it's kind of dumb. So didn't see any point in taking that. Maybe because seen a retracement to equilibrium, but even if I did enter, I probably would have not stopped out with here. So honestly, I think it's okay that, like, I think it's good that I sat out because this move happened like way later into market open. But I don't know if I'm like trying to dodge trades now because it's been like a month since I took a trade now, and yeah, I don't know, like I'm just scared or something. But I feel like these aren't really like good quality subs to be taking. And GBP USD, however, 4 hours 4 hours bullish on GBP USD, which was kind of unlike Euro USD, even though both of these are kind of USD pairs. So, we were bullish, inversing this fair value gap to the upside, so looking for potential longs. Now, on the 30-minute, right, we had these London lows and we had London highs. So, like opposite to Euro USD, we were setting up nice for some potential longs, while Euro USD was looking good for some potential shorts. So, didn't really know what to do. Wasn't really planning on trading, but if I were to take a trade, this would have looked much better. We followed through, took out the London high after taking out the London low, and this is kind of like a very good quality setup kind of look. But again, I'm not really trying to trade on PPI, even though there was no effect on the market. So maybe I should have been willing to take something after inversing this for value gap. Could have looked for some retracement into equilibrium, kind of like this. See a retracement into equilibrium, and then look for a 1-minute break of structure to the upside. But didn't end up doing that because I was just kind of sitting on. I didn't really plan on taking anything because of PPI, but maybe I should be more open to it. But at the same time, I feel like like there could be like these once a time, like not once a time, like uncommon or like rare occurrences of like price not really moving oddly because of PPI. Or after PPI, so maybe I should be open to taking something, but I don't really want to reinforce like negative behavior. Maybe could have entered something like, we had this for value gap inverse, but we also have this one too, so I don't really know. Maybe just entered off of this here, going long with stop loss below the low. But like, where would I really want to target out? I really want to target to this London high, but it's not really like that good of a setup. Maybe entered off of this inverse for value gap. That would have been a better setup, but I would have ideally wanted to see this gap kind of get inversed, but maybe it's on the 1 minute, so it's not really that big of a deal. If I could just see one, that would be good enough. But I'm not really trying to take a trade because it's PPI. So now JPY 4 hour what was it? 4 hour was, what was it, bearish, I believe. So You know, we had this inverse for value gap on the actually wait no, yeah, I think we were bearish. I don't even know, bro. I barely like yeah. So we were bearish. So on the 4-hour bearish. So on the 30-minute, looking for highs to get taken and target lows. But you know, we already took out the lows. We didn't. Well, no, we didn't take out the lows. We just didn't have any lows in the beginning to like start with. So didn't have any target. You know, we had London highs, we had Asian highs, but we didn't have any lows to target. So didn't really plan on taking anything. So you know, the main kind of story for today was that today was PPI. So I wasn't really planning on taking any trades. And you know, like that's pretty much it, bro. Like I don't even know, bro. Like shit even pointless? Like is this shit like, does this shit have worth into doing? Like should I just like switch over to the next day? But I feel like I know how I do it. Like I feel like I've been on a good like, but I feel like it's just I've been like too scarce with my trades, you know. But like the last couple, they were pretty well. Like, you know, I went through like a freaking losing streak for quite some time, but I feel like it's possible, bro. Like I was able to win quite a bit. You know, this time was not that good, but recently it was good. You know, my wins were larger than my losses. This was could have been a larger win as well. If I just kind of followed my plan, I kind of messed up in the end, but you know, this could have been like a 1.3 if I like followed my plan fully. But I feel like I've been doing okay. It's just I need to like stay consistent and not allow myself to get ahead. Like I know what needs to be done, bro. I'm up like 7% on my thing, bro. And it's just now because of like the end of the year and like Christmas and the holidays and all that, I try to like stay out of the charts because you know nothing's really happening in the market. So that's kind of why I wanted to sit out. But you know, I don't know. Maybe I'm just scared, and maybe I'm just, you know, going through loss aversion or something like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.